I received a question from a reader, and I thought that you could benefit from the answer too. Where in your lungs does albuterol work? Albuterol is a bronchodilator. It opens your lungs so that you can breathe easier. It can be helpful if you have emphysema or COPD. But where exactly does it work inside the lungs? Well, let's start with your windpipe. Your windpipe travels down your throat and into your chest. You can feel it if you place your fingers on the front of your throat. It feels like it has ridges or rings around it. These rings are made of cartilage, the same stuff your ears and nose are made of. The cartilage is there to give the windpipe support, to help it stay open. The windpipe travels down your throat and into your chest, and then it splits and goes into both lungs. These tubes are supported by cartilage too. From there, the tube splits over 20 times before it reaches the deepest parts of the lungs. Right around split 18, the tubes are no longer supported by cartilage. The tubes are like noodles that have tiny muscles wrapped around them. When they tighten, they squeeze the tubes, making it harder to breathe. In fact, if the tubes are squeezed to half their original opening, it's about 16 times harder to breathe through. Albuterol works on these muscles all the way down, deep inside your lungs. It attaches to them and helps them to relax. When the muscles relax, the tubes get bigger and easier to breathe through. If the albuterol doesn't get down there, the tubes don't relax, and you continue to feel short of breath. And then, even if the albuterol does get deep into your lungs, the best way to know if your body responds to albuterol is to have a pulmonary function test. A pulmonary function test is a test to see exactly how well your lungs work. To schedule a pulmonary function test, you'll have to talk to your doctor. Click thumbs up if you learned something new in this video. Click subscribe for more articles, tips, and tricks to help you breathe easier from theartofbreathing.easy.com. If you have questions about emphysema or COPD, join my Q&A newsletter by clicking the link below. And of course, breathe easy today.